Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a super handy tutorial how to use your Chick-fil A gift card on the app. Whether you receive it as a gift or bought it for yourself, using it on the app and quick and easy. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Chick-fil A app installed and your gift card handy. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you are in, look for the scan tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic begins. Now click on that scan tab. You will see an option that says add funds. Go ahead and tap on that. Here's where you will choose a transfer gift card. This option allows you move the balance for your physical gift and directly in your app account, which is super convenient for making orders. Next, you will need to enter the detail for a gift card. This is usually include the card number and possibly a pin. If it that one, after entering all the information, hit submit or transfer. And just like that, your fund will be added on your Chick-fil one card within the app. Now that your funds are loaded, you can use them for any order you place through the app. Just remember, if your order exceeds the balance available for your gift card, you will need to use another payment method to cover the differences. That's all. Using a Chick-fil card on the app is straightforward and making order your favorite meal even easier. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.